Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to present to you our brand new launch from Westwood Blvd, our new ultimate setting powders. Y'all, I am so excited for you guys to see our brand new launch because if you know me and you know the brand, I have been obsessed with setting powders for so long, and the brand One Size is known for our setting powders and Until Dawn. And let me do some history for you guys. 3 years ago, 2021, we launched our iconic, our very first ultimate translucent setting powder with a dark deep. Then last year, 2023, we launched Ultra Pink and Sweet Honey. And when I tell you, over the years, it has gotten to be one of our most top selling products in Sephora, on TikTok shop. It's literally so good, it's so blurring. And this year, we are launching 3 new shades. They are so gorgeous. I have been asked and requested to launch these 3 shades, and I'm gonna tell you all about them. Can you guys tell? Can you guys tell? Can you guys tell?
Can you guys tell?
If you didn't guess already, we are launching peach, not just 1, but 2. We have Ultra Peach, we have a Rich Peach, and we have Marigold. If you guys have not tried the powders, all the colors are gorgeous. It is serving 24-hour shine control, blurring, no flashback, a flawless freaking finish. Literally run, do not walk to try it, because you literally need these powders. Like, if you guys didn't know, we had updated the packaging because we're launching so many new shades. I was like, take that little square from before and blow it up big. So now the full top of the cartons are now exposed with the color. And you could see right here, this one's our Ultra Peach, so cute. This one right here is our Rich Peach. And then last but not least, this is the Marigold. It is giving upgrade, it is giving diversity. What I love about these powders is that I am a plus size girly and gay, and I get so sweaty. You guys know I love makeup, but my skin, whenever I set it, just looks so smooth.
Oh my God.
I almost forgot. Y'all have clocked me on TikTok Live and social media. Also, this is our brand new Ultimate Kite Puff little kit. This is so gorgeous. I have been asked by my bestest friends to come out with a little puff with a triangle, and when I tell you, it's giving precision, it's giving gorgeousness, it's giving diversity, it is giving glam. Like, this is such a great value. I love these kite puffs. You can use them with any of our shades, even if you want to rock it with the Turn Up the Base powder foundation. It's so cute, especially the little one, you guys. I love snatching my nose. Let me just show you. Oh, I forgot I had one in here. What am I doing?
Hello?
So much. See, there we go. If you guys want to know and see me in public and I'm glam, most likely I will have one in my armpit and one in my titties. Look at how gorgeous this is. I love this for doing one of these moments. Gorgeous. We also have the iconic like half circle one too. That's really gorgeous, but this one I love for on the nose, carving. This one is so small and cute if you're a makeup artist and you want to kind of like use that to rest your hand on the face. I love this. But these little ones, both of these, it just depends on your hand size. I love using this. I take off my sifter, by the way, because I love using a lot of powder. I love carving the nose. Look at that. And then I can just do one of these. It's so convenient and it's so gorgeous. Like, it's literally the best invention ever. And the way it gets right up in the ass crack of my eye, aka the inner corner, to get a little point up in this little bitch. Oh my God, it is so cute, and it does come in a pack of 4. And look, I can get right in here and bake. And guess the price.
Guess the price.
It's $16. Guys, look at this. All the fantasy. I had to launch this with the 3 new shades. Before I forget, I want to shout out the amazing creators that got to be a part of this campaign. I said, you know what? I really want to invite the community that I grew up with and that I am a part of. I think it's so cool. At One Size, we don't hire like professional supermodels. We hire real people, real influencers. And because I've had the opportunity to be in campaigns myself, I thought it would be only perfect to invite them and fly them to LA. So I want to shout out Johan, Kenya, Lexi, and Samara. And let me tell you, we had so much fun on the shoot. The night before the actual shoot, we had a beautiful slumber party called the slumber party / icebreaker, like the ultimate icebreaker. So that way all of us could meet, get to know each other, and just kind of like warm up before the day of the shoot, because the last thing I wanted was for everyone to be like nervous, but it was so perfect. We had snacks, it was decked out, it was a beautiful suite in a hotel, and it was just really, really meaningful to have that moment. And if you don't know, I love intimate events. I feel like I get to know everybody in the room, and it was just so fun. Which leads me to the actual shoot. The shoot was just giving glam. If you guys know our past shoot, it's giving production. And for me to have them in custom costumes by Carla Miranda, and to have my team glam the hair and the makeup, some of them did their own makeup. It was such an experience, and to have these beautiful pictures of us is just so special. And whenever I launch or think about the ultimate setting powder, I think about giving the ultimate experience, and I feel like that's what we accomplished. And I have videos that we're gonna post on our One Size social media, doing interviews with them. Be sure to follow us at One Size or my page on TikTok and Instagram to see those behind the scene moments, because they are truly one of a kind experiences. So just to get into the details of the powders and why I launched them, they have specific purpose. Ultra Pink went so viral because it gave that pink under eye that would blend into Attention Seeker or Girly Pop for that bright pink under eye look, because there is a little bit of a tint. So I wanna quickly talk about Ultra Peach, Rich Peach, and Marigold in case you guys wanna try one of them and how you guys can apply them to your makeup routine. So first we have Ultra Peach. It's the perfect brightening shade for that under eye. To me, it's brighter than Ultra Pink, especially if you have more of a golden undertone, is perfect just to brighten, but not like fight with your skin tone. This is beautiful for fair to medium and medium dark skin tones, especially on the under eye circles. If you want to kind of color correct and brighten that area, Ultra Peach is that girl. And just to show you, our models Johan and Lexi rocked Ultra Peach. So next we have Rich Peach. Rich Peach is literally a richer version of Ultra Peach, and it's perfect for the deeper skin tones. We had Samira and Kenya model these. It is so gorgeous. Also, I use this on Fanita. If you know Fanita, Past Your Bedtime podcast, it looks so gorgeous under her eyes, and I wanted to talk about it so badly, but I couldn't because we weren't launching it. But how stunning does Fanita look in Rich Peach? It gives that beautiful kind of warm shade, especially for someone that's in a neutral undertone like Fanita. She wasn't so golden, and she wasn't so warm with reddish undertones. She was like kind of right in the middle. So Rich Peach really gave that beautiful kind of complexion before putting on the Turn of the Base powder foundation. So if you're medium to dark to deep skin tones, this shade is perfect for you. Last but not least is the golden goddess, Marigold. When I tell you we were coming up with the most crazy names, we were saying, is it cheese? Is it queso? Is it cornbread? Is it amarillo? When I thought about Marigold, I didn't want to come up with like a banana. I think this Marigold is a true, beautiful, rich, warm yellow that is a little bit more deep than Sweet Honey. I know because we are launching Ultra Peach and Peach, like this was the perfect time to just extend the shades, and Marigold seemed to be a part of that. And our models Kenya and Samira got to model these colors too. These are beautiful for rich, deep, and dark and medium dark skin tones. But today, as you can see, I am wearing the Ultra Peach, and I am actually wearing it with Freaky Peach. What is so fun about our Peach launch is that Freaky Peach was out of stock, and guess what's back in stock? Freaky Peach. Whenever I put Freaky Peach like on my cheeks, in fact, let me put more on. Look at how gorgeous Freaky Peach looks when blended with Ultra Peach right on the apples of the cheeks, connecting it to the under eye. Do not knock it until you try it, because I feel like there was a peach renaissance back in 2016, and then the 2020s, they wanted this hot pink under eye renaissance. Like Peach has never left. And also, let me spill some tea. Let me spill some tea. For those of you that said, oh, one size never launched a peach, they don't know about peach. Guess what I was with back in the day? Air spun. How about that? What about the MAC and PatrickStarrr powder? Was it banana? No. Was it pink? No. It was peach, okay? So I've been new, been had peach. So when I launched the brand, I had to launch translucent, but I've always had a passion for peach. And when I tell you, I've had this powder for like a year. I'm sorry. But all of these powders now are available at Sephora on May 22nd. Literally coming up so soon. In stores, Sephora.com, OneSizeBeauty.com. And if you want to get the tea, it is launched a little bit ahead on our One Size Beauty and also my TikTok. Be sure to check that out. Check out all the new powders, especially our classic ones, or get our brand new Ultimate Kite puffs. I want to thank you guys for joining me today in today's video. Mark your calendars. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. I love you so much and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.